In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the 6 jars system on the Song Nhi app to manage your finances effortlessly. Start by navigating to Jar Budgeting Management, where you can view both your total budget and the current balance in each jar. Next, scroll down to set up Income Auto Split. With this feature, each time income is recorded, it's automatically distributed across 6 jars based on set percentages. Tap the reset icon to apply the default percentages or adjust each jar's percentage manually. Once you're satisfied with the setup, hit Done to save your changes. Now let's head back to the chat system, where I'll walk you through an example to explain the 6 jars system in detail. Start by quickly selecting Add Income and enter a salary of $1,200. You'll see the total budget automatically distributed across each jar according to your preset percentages. I'll now explain each jar type while adding new expenses directly through the chat. 1. Necessities. This account is for managing your everyday expenses and bills. This would include things like your rent, mortgage, utilities, bills, taxes, food, clothes, etc. For example, let's enter an expense for taxi at $80.30. You'll see the balance in the necessities jar decreased to $7,000. 2. Long-term saving. Money in this jar is for bigger, nice-to-have purchases. Use the money for vacations, extravagances, a plasma, TV, contingency fund, your children's education ec. For example, each month I'll set aside $200 in this jar for a vacation with friends. You can track your savings goal by navigating to reports and selecting long-term savings to view all transactions in this jar. 3. Play. The purpose of this jar is to nurture yourself. You could purchase an expensive bottle of wine at dinner, get a massage, or go on a weekend getaway. For example, if I want to watch a movie this month, I'll enter cinema ticket for $49.15. You'll then see the balance in the play jar decrease to $600. 4. Education. Money in this jar is meant to further your education and personal growth. An investment in yourself is a great way to use your money. For example, I purchased a LinkedIn course to advance my career for $134.65. You'll see the education jar balance decrease to $900. 5. Financial freedom. This is your golden goose. This jar is your ticket to financial freedom. The money that you put into this jar is used for investments and building your passive income streams. You never spend this money. Returning to the $1,200 salary I added earlier, each time I receive new income, I consistently set aside 20% into this jar. This approach ensures I'm steadily building up the balance over time. 6. Give. This is the money for giving away. Use the money for family and friends on birthdays, special occasions, holidays, or volunteer work in your community. For example, if I want to send money to my parents, I'll allocate $200 from the Give jar. You'll see the balance decrease to $222.50 after the transaction. And thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Also, if you're looking for a smart way to manage your finances and escape the rat race, check out Song Nhi, the perfect finance app to help you achieve financial freedom. You can download it today and start your journey. Drop a comment below and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.